Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can use this aeroplane shooting gun. This could be ideal for 3+ year ages. Okay, this is the look here. The king of aeroplane shooting. So you just need to attach these aeroplanes here. You just need to trigger this. At the end of the video I'll be showing you how actually this is operating. Okay, this I purchased for rupees 300 rupees in the offline store, not the online store. Anyway, I'll be checking whether there are any products available online too which are very similar to this. Right, anything else on the box? This is one of the most popular toy game which is now getting really popular. Okay, yes, you need to put the planes and push back for loading the gun, press trigger for launching, press the button once for loading again. Okay, we'll be testing this in the live now. First of all, let me open this box. Okay, this is the first look, and the plastic material of the gun is looking good, not a cheap build. Okay, the plastic build is decently good enough, and this is the button they are talking on the box actually. Okay, this is a push button. Okay, push button. Yes, now these are the planes, lightweight cardboard style of planes. Okay, very lightweight. 1 2 3 4 planes were given, and now we'll see how you can use this. So the first step, according to the box, they are saying like press the button and lift the launch pad. So they are telling about this one, this button, and launch the pad. Just okay, take it out. Now we need to put these planes inside this area allotted. So one by one we'll keep. Just try to put one plane here. No, try to put one plane first, then we'll keep all the planes here. That's it, simple. You need to take the plane like this, just put it inside, simple. Keep that plane also. So we can keep 3 planes in a single go. Okay, 3. Okay, right, now we're going to test this. Unfortunately this is not working actually, because this trigger, there may be spring missing in this toy. That's the reason it is not working. Anyway, I'll be trying to purchase another, and I'll be showing you how you can play this. Yes, 300 rupees was just a loss. No spring.